how to stop autopay in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can stop autopay in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to stop autopay in Netflix, all you have to do is just go to netflix.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then make sure to click the profile icon from the top right and then just go to this option known as account, as you'd be able to find it. Once you're on the account page, the only way you can stop autopay is by canceling your membership. So basically, you just click the cancel membership option here and then hit the finish cancel listen. What this does is that from this moment on, Netflix is not going to charge you from next month, which means that if your membership renews automatically at the end of each month, your Netflix membership is going to remain for the end of this month because you've already been charged, right? And since you have been charged, Netflix cannot give you a refund, so they will keep your membership till the next billing date, and when it's the next billing date, you'll stop getting charged and you'll not be able to watch Netflix. If you want to watch it, you have to resume the membership and pay a fee again. So hope this video helped to understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.